So question 14 is dealing with imaginary numbers. Part A is just multiplication. So you can FOIL it out. 3 plus I, 4 minus 2I. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6I. I times 4 is 4I. I times negative 2I is negative 2I squared. And then you're going to combine your like terms. 12 minus 2I minus 2I squared. And then 2I squared always simplifies to negative 1. So really, that's like saying 12 minus 2I plus 2. And then you combine your like terms again, and that's going to be 14 minus 2I. Part B, you are dividing 5 plus 20I by 1 minus 2I. You're going to multiply by the kind of like opposite. So 1 plus 2I, and then 1 plus 2I. So let's start at the numerator. 5 plus 20I times 1 plus 2I. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2I is 10I. 20I times 1 is 20I. And then 20I times 2I is 40I squared. So combine your like terms. 5 plus 30I plus 40I squared. Because I squared simplifies to negative 1, you're going to have 5 plus 30I minus 40. Combine your like terms again. That's going to be negative 35 plus 30I for your numerator. And then you have to focus on the denominator, which is 1 minus 2I times 1 plus 2I. So 1 times 1 is just 1. 1 times 2I is plus 2I. Negative 2I times 1 is negative 2I. Negative 2I times 2I is minus 4I squared. When you combine your like terms, you're going to notice your imaginary numbers cancel out. It's going to happen like this all the time for your denominator. So 1 minus 4I squared. I squared simplifies into negative 1, so it's going to be 1 plus 4, which is just equal to 5. So when you combine these two, remember this is your numerator, this is your denominator, it's going to be negative 35 plus 30I over 5. And then everything here is divisible by 5. So just follow me over here. Negative 35 divided by 5 is just negative 7. 30I divided by 5 is 6I. And this is your final answer.